India's apparel exports rose by 11.3% year-on-year in May 2025, driven by a global shift in sourcing strategies away from China and Bangladesh, according to data from the Confederation of Indian Textile Industry. This marks continued momentum following sharp increases of 17.3% in September and 24.35% in October 2024, triggered by political instability in Bangladesh after the fall of the Sheikh Hasina government. Global buyers are increasingly urging Indian exporters to expand production capacity and obtain key certifications. India is also benefiting from a tariff edge over China, a legacy of reciprocal duties introduced during the Trump administration. This shift has brought renewed momentum to India's apparel sector, which had suffered a two-year downturn in the aftermath of the pandemic as consumer demand weakened. With a presence of only $10 billion in the $120 billion US apparel import market compared to China's $30 billion, India has substantial room for growth. However, the rise in exports is being matched by a surge in raw cotton imports due to higher domestic prices and lower domestic output. The Cotton Association of India estimates imports will rise to 3 million bales, 170 kilograms each, in 2024-25, up from 1.52 million the previous year. US exports of extra-long staple cotton to India have also increased, supported by competitive pricing and lower tariffs. Additionally, the new UK-India Free Trade Agreement, offering zero-duty access to 99% of textile items, is expected to significantly boost exports to the UK. India's apparel industry now stands at a strategic inflection point, buoyed by shifting global supply chains and favorable trade deals, but constrained by rising input costs.